Import a media file that you create from Adobe Premiere Pro. For example, when you finish your sequence, you export your sequence, so you have the audio, video, movie file, so you can reuse them into another project in Adobe Premiere Pro. Or if your media file you created from another application, for example, a still image you create from Adobe Photoshop document, or if you use your camcorder, your video, to capture the picture, the video, and you can capture them and transfer to your computer, then you can import it into your project panel here for editing. And here for the import, first you go to the location, for example, and I put some media file in here. The media file you can single. Okay, before I show you how to import them, as you have already know them maybe, and I'll show you the media type, the file type that you can import them into Adobe Premiere Pro. Here, this is the file format you can import for use in your project. The media file can be image sequence, audio file, video file, or movie file. Another one in here, AVI movie file, like this Adobe Illustrator AI still image, Adobe Title Designer file, and bitmap file, GIF, EPS, film, image sequence. You can generate film strip from Adobe Premiere Pro, and icon file, still image. This is the audio MP3. Everybody know it. Audio file, MPG movie file. That's mean a movie file is mean audio and video together into a single file. That's a movie file. And this is the audio file only. This just have the audio, no video. And somehow if video and no video, they just call video. Together, audio and video, they call movie file in Premiere Pro. And here audio file in a Macintosh AIFF format. And here you can import Adobe Photoshop document. This is very useful, as I do for title, for motion. I use I design the document in Adobe Photoshop, then bring it for some adjustment and for some animation. I'll show you more about how to create a Photoshop document or Illustrator document used in Adobe Premiere Pro. And here portable PNG file, QuickTime movie file, Sony video file, like this. And like this audio file, this AAF advanced ordering format. This you can generate AAF file from the project panel here. This is another type of project for exchange your editing. And here in Adobe Premiere Pro 2.0 version, you can import the project from Premiere 6 bin, Premiere 6 storyboard, Premiere 6 title, Premiere 6 project to use them for your editing. And also you can import Adobe Premiere Pro project, or you can import Adobe After Effects project. This is the new feature that you can use Adobe After Effects project in together with your Premiere Pro. And here you can open a EDL file. For example, you can export an EDL file from Adobe Premiere Pro, or you export an EDL file from another nonlinear video editing system, so you can import them to use in Adobe Premiere Pro here. And here you can specify any format here, so they show you the format, like the one in QuickTime. In QuickTime here, they show you only the QuickTime format here, so you can select here. If you have not too much media file in here, I think you can select all files here, so they show you all the file in here. If you have a lot of media file in here, you just want to looking for a QuickTime or a MPG file, so you can select a specific type in here, so they just show you here. Otherwise, you just select all file in here, so you show all the file. And importing a media file is very easy. You just select it as a single file. You select single file and click open to open it to import them. Right click and select import. And you can hold down your control key and pick the file you want to import them, like the one in here. Click to select it. Click again to deselect it. You know it already, right? Maybe. I hope so. And like the one in here, the PDF file you cannot import a PDF file. Right, you check it. Here, not support. PDF file not support. You cannot import it. Like the one in view media file, of course you cannot support it. You cannot import them, right? And here you see this the file format you can import it. Only then. And for the audio, and if you want, you can plug and select the file like this. You don't need to hold down your control key or whatever for a continual file, media file in here to select them and click open. And here they show you all the file. You select it on here. And here is not easy to check it, so I prefer just check it here, click here. And like the one you can click open to import them. You double click it, this will open the import box also. And here I show you for the still image. Importing a still image is some kind of different. If you just select the file like this, hold down your control key even you want, you can just select and import only the still image. Here you see. And you can, of course, you can open the import box from here. If you select the frame, the first frame, this is the, as I told you, this is the image sequence that I generated from Alia Maya. And this is the still image sequence. And they one by one, they change from one by one. So they make up the motion. And here when you import a still image, you select it and just click open, and it will import this still image as a still image file here only. And when you select the file, the first one, and enable here number stills here, and you click open, what they're going, they will import all the image sequence as a video file. A video file, no audio, right? They will import all the continued image as a single video file, like this, from the first one down to the last one. If in between you have a frame missing, you delete it or missing, they will import the still image from the first one you select up to the one blocking one in here, because you have no this one. So from here, all this will not import it. So make sure the image number here is continued if you want to import them all together as a single image file. And like the one you double click it, this will open in the source panel. You can check it here. This my image sequence generated from Alias Maya, a very simple image sequence. Like the one you double click it, it just open as the first image file. And in the first image file they had all black. Double click. If you select in between them, like the one you just select a single file, double click it, is in here a single image file like this. If you select in here and select here, they will select import from this still image up to the down, the last one as the video file, and ignore the file in in here. Another one I select from VT-S126. They will import the image sequence from S126 up to the last one. So you double click it. Here it is the 126. And here this you know how to import the media file from your computer. And same thing, if you have uncontinued, for example, it's not necessary like the one in here, generate from Adobe from Alias Maya as a continued image file. You can import any image file like this. I have some still image. This is the image I take the picture in Botanic Garden, and here in Montreal, Old Port Montreal, and some of the image that I downloaded, I filed this good from the internet. I don't know who make it. And this some image like the one here, 100102. If you want to make it continue, when you select this one and enable number still, they will import all this clip up to here as a single video file. And if you want to connect them together, you can, the next time you select here. So I select here first. So if you're going to do, you can this is a very small one, only few frames in here. Here you see another one, they cut all the image. If you want to scale to frame size here, you can select in here, so they just fit the file into your project frame size, and also keeping the frame aspect ratio. And if you import inside here, if you import a lot of still image, for example continue or uncontinued, you want them all fit into your project size like this. I select here, so I import them. So when I put on the sequence here, you see they all taking the same duration in the still image here, and the duration is specified in the preference general here. Here they all make it as a 150 frame as the duration. Of course, you can change the duration after you import them and move in here. But if you want to make them all at the same duration, you make it one by one here. This will waste your time. And so before you import them, like the one I remove it. Before you import them, for example, you want to make a slideshow for that picture. Each one they have a duration as for example 2 seconds. In this project is 60 frame, so 2 seconds long. You click OK. Second, set the duration, so you select the frame here and you import them, put on the title panel. Now they will become all this become a 2 second duration here. This is why you are importing something, a video or still image, you have to take care of on the duration for them, for the still image. And here for the video and still image, if you want to fit the image into the project dimension, fit your project frame dimension, frame size. For example, here you can see that's easier. The picture, this nice girl. Here, when you put on then for the video and the video and the still image, how you see they cut all here. So you must, if you want them all fit into the project frame size, you can enable here before you import them. So you don't need to manually one by one to scale it like this. This is wasting your time to doing like this. If you want then all just fit on the project frame size, you enable in here. Another one, by default they have not enabled, so I remove it and import them again. Another one, when I import with the preference setting to fit to the project frame size, here you see they all fit into the project frame size, and you don't need to right click and make it in here. So importing a video or still image, you have to take care of it in here before you import them. This for the still image for the duration, and for the video and the still image, the setting here fit to the enable default scale to a frame size. That means fit to the project dimension when you import them. For the slideshow, and here video file, how many frame here? Oh, here they import at the same time import a single video file. This new in Premiere Pro 2.0. I don't see this. Both import image sequence and at the same time import a single image still image file independently. Okay, that's okay, no problem. This for the importing, you have to take care for the still image and the preference setting in here. And also if you, and like the most of the time, I prefer to open a Windows Explorer like this, so I can drag and drop the media file I want to the project panel here. So it's very easy. I don't need to open the import box here and go to where I want. I just open the Explorer, Windows Explorer, and drag and drop here like this, in the way like this, so very faster. And in this way you cannot import a still image sequence like this. You drag and drop here, you are just import a single still image. If you want to import all this image sequence as a video file, so you have to do it in here. Like the one in here, you have to select this option, so you can import all the still image sequence as a video file in here. And also, as you see, Adobe Premiere Pro, you can import a Premiere 6 Premiere Pro project. So that means you can import a Premiere Pro project. For example, here my project is my first project. This is my project in here. Okay, in here, this is my project, and I want to reuse the editing project in my first project in here. So I can drag and drop to import this project to reuse the sequence in my Mosaic QG project. In here, when you import them, they will create a folder based on the project name here and put all the sequence and media file for the sequence here in here. So later one the sequence can be set into another sequence, so you can reuse the sequence in here in this way. In some application or even in Premiere Pro, they call nesting. So this is very powerful to reuse the editing. Of course, you can export your sequence and import them as a movie file in the project in a new project here. But if you export them, you making time on them, and also if you want to make adjustment, you have to open the project and export them. Later one, you can use the sequence here, so you can just double click it to open it in another sequence, and you can adjust them, then come back to here, and they have been changed for the new sequence. This is very useful, helpful for your reuse your editing. And this is almost how you importing your media file for your editing. This is the input as an import method. And also for the input, you have capture your video. You can, in here I have not connect my camcorder to my computer, so I will show you in the next chapter how to capture the video for the input. So in here I delete all this. Okay, see you on the next chapter.